Adding fractions. 1/8 of the class did their homework on Monday. A further 5/8 of the class did their homework on Tuesday. What fraction of the class had done their homework by Wednesday morning? We need to work out 1/8 of the class plus the 5/8 of the class. We can rewrite that as 1/8 plus 5/8. Because these are like each other, in other words, both of these are e's or eighths, these are like each other, then they can be combined together. This means that 1/8 or 1/8 plus 5/8 makes 6/8. And we can write that as 6/8. So 6/8 of the class had done their homework by Wednesday morning.